I'm sorry. Charlie, please. I'm sorry.
I was there for you when you have nothing. You don't forget. Sabi the water girl. I brought blessing into your life.
Babe, I know now. I'm sorry. That's what I'm saying. I'm sorry now.
When I met you, you have nothing. You were staying in one room with one chair. Since when I came into your life, everything changed. You know, you're not staying in one room with two chairs. I changed your life.
Babe, I'm sorry now. Charlie, please.
Let him cook now.
I'm sorry. Forgive me.
Guy, you your mumu don't right. Like you mumu back your age. If you don't see person go tell you, then they check your baby for village. The kind mumu where you mumu and at 2014 old, you don't take. You dey live in one room with one chair. Since the girl come into your life, she don't bring blessing come. Now you dey live in one room with two chairs. That one achievement.
I wonder.
Two broke people they date each other. One I get understand, you don't understand. You will be extra when you meet them. Now you don't drop your money, you don't turn 70, don't they get pride. How you go be water girl? They smell like who never bath.
Elizabeth, I don't understand. I think they come with all these idiots self. Man, we no get money. Me, I don't feel they with them.
No wonder they sleep for house. Your papa no get money, you want to form it over. Hunger go finish your life.
Please, you know you're not my spec. Nonsense.
So you get spec. You never born pikin, I will stand by you, don't fall. So girls when your friends don't fall, don't they get pride. Better go open the University of Stupidity, Mumu, and understand it.
Oh, they struggle. Savage. I never go to now. Just have a TikTok. The suffer is real. That's true.
So you get spec. You never born pikin, I will stand by you, don't fall.